Former Creighton University student pleads no contest to slashing a co-ed's throat last year. But his lawyer calls him a victim as well, raising questions about how the underage young man got so drunk. Senior reporter Jake Wazakowski is live in studio to explain tonight. Jake.
Well, Craig, the defendant takes responsibility for his actions, but his attorney wants to know why the people who he says hazed him got off virtually scot-free.
A college career at Creighton University gone overnight because of a night of drinking and the horrific scene that followed. 20-year-old Christopher Wheeler pleads no contest to felony second-degree assault in Douglas County District Court. The use of a weapon charge dropped. On February 11, 2017, Wheeler went to an 18-year-old girl's Creighton dorm room asking for Dana. When she indicated there was no one by that name and they headed towards the door, Wheeler slashed the teen's neck and fled. His defense attorney Steve Loeffler says Wheeler was hazed by his fraternity, Phi Kappa Psi, before the incident and wasn't in his right mind. Loeffler says Wheeler voluntarily drank alcohol and smoked marijuana, and he was also intentionally given an unknown substance.
We brought Dr. Terry Davis, who's one of the most respected psychiatrists in the Omaha area, actually in the Midwest. And he said without question the kid had to have been given something else.
Phi Kappa Psi fraternity was given an 8-year suspension from Creighton for multiple code of conduct violations and anti-hazing policies. Their house also torn down. Loeffler says the punishment has been disproportionate.
Again, 20-year-old kids doing 20-year-old things. It's just they are able to seamlessly merge into other fraternities on Creighton's campus. My client will have this over his head for the rest of his life.
When asked today to comment on punishments given to students involved in the incidents and if Phi Kappa Psi members were allowed to join other Creighton fraternities, the university said, quote, "We will not be discussing this."
Wheeler will be sentenced in June and faces 0 to 20 years in prison. Loeffler says he's now attending college in Kansas. Reporting live, Jake Wazakowski, 3 News Now.
To another case now, he's already serving 100+ years in prison for raping a 13-year-old girl. Now his own DNA has